lesithombe sihle mbukeli ebukhale ngalutho sihle ngempela ke lesithombe mbukeli makubona isithombe sayo lapho ke yakhona hayi wabona nje penalty engenile unampembe nje madoda good luck Bondel Catches busy penalty. Advantage. Stars. Why catching a Magius Smith? Captain. Stars. That was a penalty. Why can't get penalty? Have an advantage. Bleed. Stars. Yellow goes to bleed. Bleed. Hang on. Advantage Stars Guma Pagania manje ke Omarico bana wasemani ya bana mdombe mari kusuka la pepechini Kona vile ya shai penalty ngambona ya shai penalty kahle kalutho Mariko ya ay beka phakathi khona ke yena ku Mariko elotha ngapha elotha ngale njengobona mhlambe lapha ekhaya manje lecashaza le ibhola elibovu lisho ukuthi bayigejile penalty kuya manje lapha ke uSkelem Let's get penalty speed. Skelem! Never forgot to go Skelem. Orlando Pirates 1. Catholic Stars 2. Well shot penalty. They start the Pirates. We are going to find Nago Fukeng, Mapagani. Fukeng Mapagani mbona isithombe sakho wakawekeza ipenalty Fukeng amapagani shapa yonake Jwaneng Galaxy ngena phake CAF Champions League nge-29 ka September ngo-2023 kule nkulu namhlanje kuya lapha yonake Fukeng ithemba lamapagani Buka lapha ke Fukeng Bangatayikethe hey ifukatsama kakhulu ke mapagani yamabutho namayidini khona ipenalty mthombe ngiyake Fukeng kumile ke Fukeng uyaya ke Fukeng hey ayile boboya kunyakaza ugoalkeeper la Veo kunyakaza lapha ke goalkeeper lapha Kwendeka phakathi ke Fukeng Zamubheke lapha ke kuyabani manje lapha ke penalty yesithathu Kuya ke Unanda wena Endeka phakathi khona ke Unanda Ziyehla kancane ihlanzi kuyena ke ucoach Owantu coach ke wamapagani kuya manje ke wapolice kuona ke mapagani kuya ke wapolice kuona ke mapagani uyoshaya penalty esine mapagani yabhali yacisha lapha ke Mntombe kuya ke wapolice Hema manje ke police umenze khona la eduze ya police Police Ndeka phakathi khona ke police 3-3 madoda manqaba wayevele wayigethi penalty manqaba hayi zintangane manje kuya uMbuthuma penalty yokugcina amabhakaniya kuya-ke uMbuthuma kuya uMbuthuma hayi uThabatsana silungise lapho kuya uThabatsana hayi Thabatsana-ke awukhethe ke left kuya-ke uThabatsana kuya-ke uThabatsana kuya-ke uFuture make iskora advantage mabhakaniya make igeja advantage Stars kodwa ngo-left ngiyabathemba sikhathi esiningi ngo-left hayi ngiyabathemba hayi noma unganikela ikhadi Thabatsana yeyeni bo yeyeni bo yeyeni bo Future mabhakabhaka kwenze njani wakha amabhilidi advantage Catholic Stars sime ngey'nyawo-ke manje sime ngey'nyawo mbukeli sime ngey'nyawo manje-ke nebeisko amakhosi amasandawana amabhakaniya lezo umuntu namhlanje football will kill you Tiras bayivimba 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 abuya amathemba kumabhakaniya abuya amathemba kumabhakaniya umadoda wasebenza ngempela-ke Sipho Shane uTikasi winning penalty ndoda wasebenza uSipho Shane engathi kuye uMbuthuma kumabhakaniya kuya uMbuthuma-ke isarindenti-ke manje uMbuthuma-ke wayigetha ipenalty mbukeli amabhakaniya esharpa-ke iset eloyilupopu wayigetha nje totally yina-ke phake uMbuthuma nge-25 ze-October kulo nyaka ophile Buthuma ngeke kunesibindi nabeke ngishaye ngoMbuthuma beke ngishaye hayi Buthuma bebe phakathi khona ke Buthuma advantage mabhakaniya bayakhombana abadlali balo phake mbukele i-Stars lapho iline bayakhombana-ke amabadali Buthuma ibhola libeke phakathi zama ukubheka kuyabani-ke advantage on the Pirates but the football will kill you Mbembe beka phakathi ibhola-ke Mbembe zikusarendent ukhumbule makusarendent mbukeli nabo goalkeeper bazoshaya bangabe abadala balishumi mhlawumbe abaskori nabo goalkeeper bazoshaya bese kuphinde-ke qala phansi zama ukubheka ukuthi lapho kade kwashaya khona amapenalty amaningi zama ukubheka la kwashaya khona amapenalty amaningi yimuphi loyo mdlalo waba namapenalty amaningi kodwa sibhekele penalty kuya lapha-ke uNdaba uNdaba ngangambona-ke uRichards Bay eshaya ipenalty engayindawo egethi ipenalty uRichards Bay uNdaba washaya nje ipenalty engayindawo lapha yena-ke uNdaba kodwa manje kula kumabhakaniya Ndaba zabantu Mthombeni akavimi nepenalty eyodwa ayogeza amaphela abadlali bamabhakaniya kuya uNdaba naphethe uleft-ke uNdaba Ndaba yeyeni bo kanti kwakhala nyonini kubadlali bamabhakaniya abadlala emuva kwenze njani mabhakaniya mabhakabhaka kwenze njani yeyeni kusasho uNdaba wayigeja ipenalty edlala kuRichards Bay advantage Catholic Stars ubani ozothembayo Catholic Stars wakha amabhilidi uNdaba madodana ashaya nje lapha-ke ku-upright hayi Mthombeni naye usukile madoda ubani oyithembayo ngaphandle sithembe sakho Mthombeni uthi hayi madoda angadlali kanjalo shaya ipenalty phakathi ngathi kuyalapha-ke umsweni kuyalapha yena-ke umsweni Kaizer Stars ithuba elokuthi uye kuma-quarter finals for the first time. Kaizer Stars nebeshaya phakathi le-penalty amabhakanye aligeza ijezi ngo-250,000 rands ayokhala ayithulile sibotsheni ngisasho mbukethi-ke unompembe uzovela mkhombe ngomuntu amambhali ngaba-ke lokhu yazula kanti bese ngabe ulapha emapalini Mthweni ngabe uyaskora uma wenze njani Mthweni imini Mpumalanga province ikulindile Mthweni ngabe amabhakanye aligeza Mthweni Mthweni ageza ijezi amabhakaniya iyahamba mbukeli yona iKaizer Stars ishaya amabhakaniya ngama-penalty yaduma lapha-ke eMpumalanga province mabhakabhaka wenze njani bayaligeza-ke ijezi amabhakaniya iyahamba iKaizer Stars zama ukubala amagoli abashaye kule mahlanu yahamba iKaizer Stars-ke iya